Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Is This Love on guitar. We will begin by mastering the foundational open chords. You'll need to know G major, D major, C major, and E minor. These four shapes form the backbone of the entire song. Take your time to ensure each chord rings out clearly and practice transitioning smoothly between them. This solid foundation is crucial for building up to the full arrangement. Now, let's dive into the strumming pattern and rhythm for Is This Love. The song has a beautiful, flowing feel, achieved with a relatively simple strum. Try a down-down-up-up-down-up pattern, keeping your wrist relaxed. The tempo is around 75 beats per minute, giving it a ballad-like pace. Pay attention to the feel, letting the rhythm guide your chord changes for a cohesive sound. Moving on to the song's structure, the verse and chorus have distinct, yet related chord progressions. For the verse, you'll primarily use G, D, E minor, and C. The chorus then shifts, often starting with C, then G, D, and E minor. Pay close attention to how these sections flow into one another. Practicing these sequences repeatedly will help you internalize the song's melodic journey. Finally, let's look at the bridge and some finishing touches. The bridge often introduces a slightly different chord progression, adding a fresh feel before returning to the chorus. For the iconic intro, you can try a simplified arpeggio of the main chords. Remember to play with dynamics, perhaps a bit softer in the verses and building intensity in the choruses. Practice the entire song through, enjoying the journey of playing this classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.